Here is Dora Dating App review. So let's just check at it. So here is the app. You can then just chat with people in here. I don't know how legit are people in here. You can see how it looks like. You can see a lot of likes, but you can see a lot of visitors to your profiles. A lot of this seems to be kind of AI bots, and to send messages, you literally need to send to pay with coins, and you need to get these coins somewhere. So you can get some daily bonus, and then you just need to pay with coins. And there are a lot of like literally 1-star reviews about this app, that this is quite scammy app. So here you have it, and then yeah, there are settings. Then you can see in here you can delete your account or block list. So that's kind of the idea. Then you can try to create some 3D accounts, but yeah, there you have it. And then if you want to get credits, the only way to do it is to purchase them. And then if you want to upgrade, you can just upgrade. So here you have it. Yeah, annual, monthly, or weekly, you have it like that. So that's the idea of the app.